Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can unban Omegle without VPN. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, I'm going to be showing you some tricks which will work for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply launch yourself a browser. You're going to go to search bar and type in Omegle over there and search it up. Now when you do that, right, the original Omegle you might not be able to find. You find TV, right? And then if that's the case, and if you not have been able to access it without the VPN, then what you gotta do is you gotta simply go ahead and refresh, long press on your particular Chrome and remove the app. Once you have removed the app, you're gonna be reinstalling the app on your device, or you're gonna simply clear caches from your app as well. And then afterwards, when you have reinstalled your app, you're gonna make sure that you turn off your Wi-Fi connection or your data cellular connection for a while. Open your app and again reconnect it like that. That is the only one trick that is supposedly works for your Omegle without VPN to work. Otherwise, Omegle cannot be used without VPN, and that is, if that doesn't work, then you have to take a help from VPN itself, because that's just how things there, right? You cannot do anything other than that. So I hope this video was informative enough for you all. Thank you for watching. We will see you guys in our next video.